This story was originally published on 8 March 2017 before he was tormenting the defenses of Ligue 1 as the world's most expensive footballer. Neymar was ruining the lives of everyone associated with his current employers, Paris Saint-Germain, when he inspired Barcelona to the most incredible comeback in Champions League history back in March. As it's the Brazilian forward's birthday today, let's take a stroll down memory lane to remember not only the £198 million man's performance in that famous 6-1 victory, but his brutal piss-taking of his future teammates in the immediate aftermath. As if the PSG players didn't want the earth to swallow them up enough already, after seeing a 4-goal lead slip through their fingers in the final 7 minutes against Barcelona in the Champions League tonight, Neymar has now taken to social media to troll the Ligue 1 champions. In the aftermath of his late heroics, which included 2 goals and the assist for Sergi Roberto's dramatic last-second winner in Barca's 6-1 victory, the former Brazil captain decided to use his Instagram story to fire shots at PSG pair Adrien Rabiot and Layvin Kurzawa by reminding them, not so subtly, of the number of goals he and his Barcelona teammates put past them tonight. The original image came from Rabiot's Instagram after the first leg, which PSG emphatically won 4-0 at the Parc des Princes 3 weeks ago. Barely anyone believed even a Barcelona team blessed with Lionel Messi, Neymar, and Suarez could claim the biggest comeback of all time in Europe's premier club competition, especially after the way the La Liga giants capitulated in Paris during the first leg.